Welcome back to English Unleashed. In episode 6, we talked about writing that sounds natural, matching your tone, using contractions, and writing like you actually speak. Today, we are bringing everything together. We are talking about building a daily English habit that actually sticks, long after the initial motivation fades. Let's start with an honest truth. Motivation is unreliable. It's high on day one, strong for a week, and then it quietly disappears. If your English practice depends on feeling motivated, you'll practice for a few weeks and then stop. The learners who succeed long-term rely on habit, not motivation. So here's your first tip: make it small enough that you can't say no. Instead of committing to an hour a day, commit to 10 minutes. A 10-minute habit is nearly impossible to skip, and on the days you feel like doing more, you simply continue. The goal is consistency, not intensity. Second tip: attach your practice to something you already do. If you already drink coffee every morning, practice for 10 minutes right after. If you commute, listen to English audio during that time. Attaching a new habit to an existing one makes it far easier to remember and repeat. Third tip: track your streak visually. Whether it's a calendar, an app, or a simple notebook, seeing an unbroken chain of days builds momentum. Most people don't want to break a streak once it grows past a week or two. That visual pressure becomes its own motivation. Fourth tip: lower the bar on hard days. If life gets busy, don't skip entirely, shrink the task instead. 10 minutes becomes 2 minutes of reading one paragraph. The goal on hard days isn't progress, it's simply keeping the habit alive so it doesn't break completely. Fifth tip: mix your practice types throughout the week. Speaking one day, listening the next, vocabulary another day. This keeps things from feeling repetitive, and touches every skill we've covered in this podcast: speaking, listening, conversation, vocabulary, pronunciation, and writing. Sixth tip: review your progress monthly, not daily. Daily progress in language learning is almost invisible. But looking back at where you were a month ago, a recording, an old message, a journal entry, shows real, encouraging growth that keeps you going. Let's try an example. Imagine you commit to 10 minutes each morning after your coffee. One day you shadow a podcast clip. Another day you write 3 sentences using new words. Another day you record yourself speaking for a minute. Small, varied, consistent, that's a habit built to last, not to burn out. That's how real fluency happens, not through occasional bursts of intense study, but through small, consistent habits repeated so often they become part of who you are. We've now covered the full picture: speaking, listening, conversation, vocabulary, pronunciation, writing, and habit. Keep showing up, one small session at a time, and keep unleashing your English. Thanks for listening to English Unleashed. See you next time.